Life is like a movie. Every scene has a purpose. Every struggle has a story. And every dream, a journey. Hey there, I'm Lorimar Moquerio, but you can call me Mar, 25 years old, a Bachelor of Arts in Communication student. And yes, a working student too. Being a working student is not easy. It means sleepless nights, balancing responsibilities, and sometimes fighting battles no one sees. But you know what? I wouldn't trade it for anything. This journey is shaping me. Movies, oh, I love them. Vlogging, even better. There's something about being in front of the camera, expressing storytelling, connecting. It makes me feel alive.
Hi guys, this is Lorimar. Tonight, I was reminded by God that when He blesses us, it's not always about giving us material things, but it's also about changing us inwardly. Kapag sinabi kasi natin break, I want to talk about something we all use or at least aspire to use, a planner notebook. Sino may planner dito? Yes, marami na sa atin this 2025 ang may planner notebook, diba? It's that little book where we write all our dreams, our goals, our schedules, and the
Happy Sunday! I just want to share with you my devotion kaninang umaga sa Ecclesiastes chapter 3. Hi guys! Andito tayo ngayon sa Kadiwa kung saan po ay magsusubo. Hi guys! Good morning! Ngayong linggo maghanda tayo kasi it's time to get ready and magsimba. Habang nag-prepare ako, gusto ko rin i-share sa inyo ang bagong iniinom ko ngayon. This is where I belong, in the world of frames, clips, and stories. But not every frame is perfect. Some are blurry, some painful. Malayo ako sa pamilya ko. Minsan, nakakapanlumo. Gusto mo silang yakapin pero hindi mo magawa. You miss the laughter, the warmth, the feeling at home. Pero ang buhay, hindi lang tungkol sa lungkot. It's about pushing forward, chasing dreams, and creating my own story. Kaya patuloy akong lalaban. Because at the end of the day, this is my film, my journey, my story, and it's only just beginning. This is my story. What's yours?